Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
This guide explains how to connect the internet to a Windows 10 PC using USB. First, choose between smartphone tethering or a dedicated USB modem device. Confirm your USB cable supports USB 2.0 or USB 3.0 and is not damaged. Allow 5 to 15 minutes to install drivers or updates on your computer. Keep your phone unlocked and the modem powered during setup for stable detection. I will walk you through detection, driver installation, and the basic configuration steps now. Start with smartphone tethering. Connect your phone via cable and unlock the device immediately. On Android, enable settings, network and internet, hotspot and tethering, then toggle USB tethering on. On iPhone, connect and confirm trust prompts, then enable personal hotspot in settings if needed. For USB modems, plug the modem and install OEM drivers or run Windows Update to locate drivers automatically. After drivers install, open Control Panel and check Network Connections for a new USB network adapter. Configure the connection by opening Network and Sharing Center and choosing Adapter Settings. Prefer Automatic DHCP. Change to a static IP only if required by your network. Use ipconfig in command prompt to view the assigned IP and gateway addresses for verification. If there is no internet, update drivers, try a different USB cable, and switch USB ports to rule out hardware issues. Restart your computer and the phone or modem to reset negotiation states. Finally, test with ping 8 to confirm external connectivity and DNS resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.